Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure market insights with Rowe Price, full guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Rowe Price website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. Find the Market Insights section, typically listed in the main menu. Click on Market Insights to open the configuration options. Review the available categories for insights, such as equities, fixed income, and alternatives. Select the categories that are most relevant to your investment needs. Look for the Customize button to adjust your settings further. In the Customization menu, choose the frequency of updates you prefer. Decide whether you want to receive alerts via email or notification within the app. You may also set preferences for specific types of content, such as articles, videos, or webinars. After configuring your preferences, review your selections for accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Save button to confirm your settings. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your Market Insights configuration has been updated. Check your email or app notifications periodically to stay informed about new insights. Adjust your settings anytime by following these same steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.